Today we are going to work on this LeetCode problem, which is named as zigzag conversion. And this problem of zigzag converting, it says that the string pay pally sharing is written in zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. So you may want to display this pattern in a fixed font for better legibility. And here is we can see that PAHN. Okay, so and then read line by this. So we need to write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. Yeah, so here what we are having is that pay p pay p, yeah, so something like this. So the number of rows here is, if the number of rows is 4, then we will have a different thing. Like we'll put this 4 and then we'll go zigzag, then we'll go this zig and then do this and then again go like this way and then come back. So we need to, the following examples are also in the same way. And if the string is simple A, then it just becomes A. So we need to work on this class of solution and we need to define this method. So here, first thing we need to do is that we need to handle the edge case. So first, let's comment handle edge case. Now if num rows is equal to 1 or num rows is greater than or equal to the length of S, in that case we just need to return the S here. So in the next thing, we need to initialize rows as an array of empty strings. So let's write it. Initialize rows as an array of empty strings. So here what we have is rows is equal to, we have this space, okay, let's write this way first, into num rows. So the current row, it should be equal to 0, and as we do the going down, it should be false. Now if we can traverse the string for char in S, then what we'll be having here is that rows of current row plus equal to char. Then we need to change the direction at the top or bottom. So change the change direction at the top or bottom. So if current row is equal to 0, or the if the current row is equal to num rows minus 1, then going down is equal to not going down. And we will also have the current row plus equal to 1 if going down is minus 1. So now when we combine this, we can return, okay, let's write this, combine rows to form the final result. So we need to return dot join rows. So let's give a space here where required, and then we'll try to run the script. So it says wrong answer. Okay, I need to check it somewhere. First, why don't I try to minimize it and then run the code. The problem persists. So let's check where we might have done the wrong thing. We need to return, yes, we did, and then rows. Number of rows, current row is equal to 0. Going down equals to false. Then we need to traverse the string. And while doing so, for char in S, we have rows of current row plus equals to char. So then we need to change the direction at the top or bottom. So for doing so, we have this condition: if current row is equal to 0 or current row equal to, okay, why don't I give it an enter sign, or current row equals to num of rows minus 1, then going down is equal to not going down, and then we have current row. Oh, I think I need to do this, I guess. Let me check if it works this way. Let's run the code. Okay. So here is this problem. It says invalid syntax. So okay, now let's try run this again. Yeah, it's accepted. So that was the problem. So this is it. Now I submit it. And it's accepted. That's all for today. Thank you very much.